Hello everyone. In this video, I would be going through this ticket management application which I created recently using React, Typescript and Tailwind CSS. I also used Zustand for state management. I will just walk you through what this application does. Basically, it shows data related to upcoming events, venues where those events would be happening, and category of events which is called attraction. So let's inspect various sections of this application. But before we do that, I would just walk you through this API which is responsible for getting the data. This is the API from Ticketmaster. Ticketmaster is a popular company in United States which manages online sales of events. Okay, so let's just go through this events section. For all the sections, we have the ability to search for a particular keyword, and it would give us a list of results. We have a details page of any given entry from a list. Okay, for example, this is the list of events, and if I click on a single one of it, I have this details page where we can see the timing, the venue, and some additional ticket related information. We also have this option to save event, but it is only available for authenticated users. I also had a backend created in Fast API to complement this front-end application, but I would probably save it for another video. This does throw errors sometimes. I would look into this. Okay, let's just search for Taylor Swift. Maybe she is about to have some concerts in nearby dates. Okay, let's just search for attractions. As I mentioned earlier, there could be multiple events which could be grouped into an attraction type. For example, there is this attraction type called Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. Maybe a theater play. I have no idea what it is. Okay, let's just search for baseball. So we have quite a few attractions related to baseball. For each attraction, we have ID, upcoming events related to this particular attraction, and images. So let's just go to venues and search for a city in Germany, Berlin. So mostly this API contains data related to events in USA, but it has global reach as well. As you can see, we have quite a few results for Berlin. Let's just change it to Los Angeles. Okay, let's go to a details page. So we have the venue details here, the title of the venue, the name of the venue, the city, and country. So that is basically it for the features of this application. Let's just navigate to the source code, and while navigating through the source code, I will first go through this package.json file, and we'll just enumerate the important packages and their purpose. So we have React Spring for animations. Zustand has been used for state management. Tailwind has been used for CSS styling, and that's basically it. So it has been created using Typescript. So we have a lot of packages for checking the types. we have organized it into several root level folders. We have components. We have a folder called library where um, we have um, put in some utility functions. Inside plugins, we have this interceptor which has this API root endpoint. Okay, all the pages, root level pages, go inside this screens folder. We have stores, Zustand stores. For each module, we have only two modules here. One is authentication, which I haven't showed you. It requires integration with backend, and there's this events store, which is basically behind the features which I showed you in the application. All the get calls, they are happening here itself. And in this .env file, we have the API key. You can check the documentation of Ticketmaster API and get the API ticket, API key. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Have some comments if you have any queries. That helps in increasing the engagement of this video, and that would also be a big help for me. So yeah, see you in the next video. Thanks for all the support, guys.